All right, so Samsung has officially started teasing the Galaxy S26 series. And interestingly, the first teaser has nothing to do with cameras, performance, or AI features. Instead, Samsung is focusing on privacy. Renowned insider Evan Blass, also known as eLeaks, has dropped what appears to be the first official promo image of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and that ultraviolet shade, marketed as cobalt violet, instantly commands attention. Samsung will change the S Pen design to shift shape with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it may change the look and feel of this unique accessory. Initially, the S Pen was associated with the Galaxy Note series. With the Note series out of the league, the Galaxy S series adopted this innovative feature and took it to the next level through the Ultra flagship. Besides being only a stylus accessory, the S Pen had air actions, allowing users to control playback and take photographs from a distance. However, the S25 Ultra removed the Bluetooth functionality. That said, the S Pen is once again working as a creative stylus rather than a wireless accessory. At first, it might look like Samsung is playing it safe again, recycling familiar features with only minor refinements. But don't be fooled. This time, Samsung is setting up a major shift, one that brings back the bold, innovative Samsung we've been waiting for. And today, we're breaking down every single upgrade, starting with the design. The official renders leaked by Android headlines leave no doubt. This is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And as expected, Samsung has introduced a noticeably refreshed design compared to last year. The biggest change is the new raised camera island, finally ditching those separate camera rings that almost no one liked. The phone is now thinner, lighter, and features softer, more rounded corners, making it far more comfortable to hold and use. The S Pen hasn't gone anywhere, but it has received subtle refinements to match the new look. The clicker now has a slight side curve, giving it a more refined feel. Overall, this year's design looks incredibly polished. When you put it side by side with the S25 Ultra, the difference is obvious. Which design do you prefer? On the front, the selfie camera is slightly larger, likely to support a wider field of view lens. However, the bezels do appear a bit thicker this year, which is surprising since Samsung usually trims them down with every generation. It's an interesting design choice, to say the least. As for colors, these are all 6 of the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra options. But honestly, the bigger question isn't the colors, it's the frame material. There's speculation that Samsung may have switched back to aluminum, but that hasn't been officially confirmed yet. What is confirmed, though, is the camera system. At first glance, it looks similar to the S25 Ultra, but the real changes are under the hood. Samsung is focusing on wider apertures this year. The main camera now features an f1.4 aperture instead of f1.7, while the 5x telephoto jumps to f2.9 from f3.4. These may look like small tweaks on paper, but in real-world use, especially in low light and video, they'll make a significant difference. Paired with improved image processing, this upgrade should be immediately noticeable. For once, Samsung isn't chasing bigger numbers, they're chasing a better experience, and that's exactly what users have been asking for. Now let's talk about the biggest performance upgrade this year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And yes, it's coming globally. That means no Exynos version for the Ultra this year. This is fully confirmed, and it's huge news. This chip is currently the fastest and most powerful mobile processor available. Thanks to Samsung's partnership with Qualcomm, we're also getting the exclusive 4 Galaxy variant, which reportedly outperforms even Apple's A19 Pro in benchmark tests. But the surprises don't stop there, because the real shock comes with the battery life. While the capacity remains at 5,000 milliamp hours, Samsung claims this will deliver the longest battery life ever on a Galaxy Ultra. That's thanks to massive efficiency gains from both the new chipset and a heavily upgraded display. Before we get to that display, there's a long overdue charging upgrade worth mentioning. Charging speed finally jumps to 60 watts, leaving behind the 45-watt limit Samsung has been stuck with for years. Wireless charging also gets a major boost. The S26 Ultra now supports Qi 2 wireless charging at 25 watts, complete with magnetic alignment. This is a huge deal. It unlocks an entire ecosystem of magnetic chargers and accessories, making everyday use far more convenient. If you're enjoying the breakdown so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Now let's talk about the biggest and craziest upgrade this year, the display. And honestly, this isn't surprising. Samsung is still the undisputed king of smartphone displays. The S26 Ultra takes things to another level entirely. It uses the new M14 panel with CoE technology, delivering more accurate colors, better efficiency, and lower power consumption. It's also upgraded to a true 10-bit panel instead of 8-bit. But the real star of the show is the new privacy display. This feature is now officially confirmed and comes directly from Samsung, and it's genuinely mind-blowing. The privacy display is fully customizable. You can enable it for specific apps or even for just certain parts of the screen. For example, if you receive a notification from a sensitive app, privacy mode can activate only on that notification instead of the entire display. When viewed straight on, everything looks perfectly clear, but from side angles, the screen darkens and becomes unreadable, protecting your privacy in public spaces. This is a truly groundbreaking feature, and it might finally signal the return of the innovative Samsung many fans have been missing. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be officially unveiled at Samsung Unpacked on February 25th, with retail availability starting March 11th. As for pricing, despite all the conflicting rumors, U.S. prices are confirmed to remain unchanged starting at $12.99. So now the big question, are these upgrades enough to make you upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want the latest Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks and updates, be sure to watch the next video. Drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.